Hey, I got David here. We're in Malibu, and me and him were passing this cover, and we just realized, first of all, it is way too hot. It's way too close, and it's plastic.
It's plastic. And, just coming off the fires where my neighbors have lost everything, this is a fire hazard. And luckily we touched it, and I wasn't getting the proper air conditioning now. And Ronnie says, this is plastic. This is a fire hazard. And it's completely so hot. So he suggested that we change it. And I'm happy as can be because I'm going to get better air conditioning. And it's no longer a fire hazard using the material that he put the fence in. So I'm quite happy.
Yeah, it was a great thing that happened. And I guess we don't need any tools taking this out.
No, you don't.
Wow, look at this. Just come right out. Can't believe it. Well, it's not even... So you literally flip it.
Get better air conditioning.
Oh yeah, 100%. So yeah, you want to take it with you?
You're going to take it.
Oh yeah, yes, I'm going to take it with me. It's working less immediately.
Yeah.
I just heard it cool down. So yeah, this was boiling hot right now, and just so you guys know, you need to stay away off the AC because it needs to breathe. But just the fact that it's plastic, like you said, coming out of the fires. First of all, this could also fly with the winds we have here.
Sure.
Yeah, and fly and hit someone or just destroy property. But yeah, I'm glad that we saw this, and we're gonna get you situated with the right stuff.
Thanks for making my house more safe and
Yeah.
more cooler.
And we're cooler.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, so house is safer, no plastic touching the house. We got the AC working. I swear it's working. I swear it's
Much
working
better.
less immediately. As soon as I felt that it has more power. Oh, so because it has more flow now, he immediately cools. His sucking power goes less. So yeah, that was really good.
Great move.
And David, you're awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right. So you heard David was a great solution. You don't want something like this on at your house after the fires here in Malibu. It doesn't even matter where. Okay, anywhere that fire can be created from brush. You don't want plastic on your house. First of all, look how light this is. This is unbelievable light and not safe and actually not even nice. Right? This is brand new, he said, and it's already faded somewhere around 40% because this was black and once upon a time, and it's definitely not black. It's just plastic. It's flimsy, it's cheap, and it's toxic too. Something they don't talk to you about, plastic is toxic, and the fumes that is created from the sun on plastic are toxic for your family, and pulling it on the condenser probably not the best idea. But let's talk about this for a second. This was this close to the condenser. It's working 30% harder. As soon as me and David drop this panel, the AC within 5 seconds, the computer knows the airflow that is coming in, and increased airflow immediately drop the tone down. So not only your AC is working a lot better, more efficient, and your house is going to be cooler faster, but you're spending less money on electricity. And that's why you want to do aluminum slat, just like the fence we're creating right now for him. So aluminum slat's going to be your best option in regards to no rusting. You can tie into the house. You can do the post offset. So that's 2 options you can do. You can do gaps, right? Not solid, not recommended. And I believe it's also not to code. And you want to stay away a good amount that is required by the AC manufacturer and put gaps for airflow. So this was one nice bad example, but it will be a good example when we're done with it. So yeah, that was just awesome right here with David. I love it. And it's funny because I looked on it from the top and it does not look, it actually looks not that bad, okay? And I guess the price that was paid on this also is pretty affordable. But remember, this is black vinyl. It will fade so fast. Plastic fades anyway. And then black plastic will attract a lot of sun. So, and look at this. This is just, it's just, I don't know. I just don't like it. It just doesn't work. It's not efficient. I don't like it. So stay tuned, Globus Gates. If you're a contractor, homeowner, we have options for you. We have price lists for contractors. We have the full supply. And then if you trust the process, because you saw it in our factories, full transparent, then you know what you're buying and what you're getting. And that's why Malibu here, we're working numerous projects coming soon, and we're rebuilding the community strong, the right way this time, not with plastic.